You're welcome.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Right. You recall that Mr. President, the father of the nation, my own father, visited Kogi State on 29th of December 2022. Almost the last state visit he will have within the state, within the country, commissioning project. Graciously, he came, he saw, and he believed exactly how we've been able to utilize the meager resources in terms of envelope and the little we've been able to generate as IGR within the state. The utilization in terms for the project and a legacy project that's going to touch the life of the citizens decades, if not centuries, to come. And Mr. President was so happy and so pleased. So it is a follow-up visit that I come today to thank Mr. President and to present an album of some of the projects he commissioned. And by the special grace of God, we are going to catalogue all other projects and achievements within the life of this administration and present it to him and to the whole world to see. Mr. President was so happy and he appreciated me. He appreciated the good people of Kogi State for giving us support and for coming out en masse and welcoming him and for the warm reception.
Do you know the secrets behind those legacy projects inaugurated by the President?
Yes, definitely. You know, when Mr. President assumed office, immediately he assumed office, he quickly hit the ground running in terms of infrastructure, in terms of fighting insecurity, in terms of delivering good governance to the people. By the special grace of God, when I came on board, I have no any other thing to do than to emulate him and to make sure that infrastructure is provided for the people. Once there is infrastructure, businesses will run. People will mind their business without necessarily, waiting for government. And that is the only thing we can do for the people. And that is why we are elected, into this office. And that is what I will continue to do till the last day I leave office.
You've been going around campaigning for Asiwaju Tinubu to win the presidential election. What are the chances?
Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu have 21 governors, APC governors. Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu have touched lives of Nigerians across board. He is a performer. He is a builder. He built human beings. He built nations. And he has started telling us exactly what he's going to do. And this administration, or his administration by the special grace of God, is going to be more run by the younger generation. And you know surely that the younger generation constituted the quantum number of voters in this coming election. We're more enlightened. We know exactly. And we know that Bola Ahmed Tinubu knows the road. And we are ready to follow that person who knows the road, which is Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And thank God that is a candidate of President Muhammadu Buhari. And that is why you could see that President Muhammadu Buhari is already campaigning for him, that he will continue where he will stop, to continue to add to the value of what he has put on ground. So, issue of any other person campaigning, against him, we are only making him to be more popular. He's already a good product that have sold himself. He has distinguished himself, and we are all 100%, ready to vote Bola Ahmed Tinubu.